Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today we are checking out Spark by Hilton in Wichita East. It is located in 8220 East Kellogg Drive, Wichita, Kansas. So this is a 2-star hotel, so don't expect too much from it. So this hotel is next to the highway, but we didn't really notice the noise because it was not as busy at night, so it depends on you guys. Now let's check out the room. It looks clean. Let's see. Surprise. Let's check the bathroom. Always the bathroom. We just arrived in the hotel and it's already 11. Let's see. Does it smell? It doesn't smell bad. It looks clean. Does it look clean? It smell? Okay, that's it, guys. Amenities right here, a little bit, plugs, aircon, table, fridge, mini microwave, and that's it. And just the bed and the bathroom. So at first glance, this hotel looks clean and neat, but as we uncover the sheets, we found that lighter underneath it. Also, their towels, it looks washed, but it still has stains and it's like overused. So I think that's how 2-star hotels are. So if you guys are just doing one night, it's really up to you guys. It says egg and everything. Where's the egg? That's this. That's all they There's a coffee corner for the night. That's it. That's all they have. Wow. That's their gym. 2. That's it. I just saw one. One treadmill and the lift weights and the balls.
Any other ones?
So their laundry is right here.
Yes.
They take 75 cents. That's it. That's it. It's fast. Fast and easy. So this hotel is about $65 to $70 if you book in advance, and this is based off their calendar for 2026 till March of 2027. So that includes free parking, free internet, free continental breakfast, and there's free coffee and tea in the common areas. Also, we want to add that this hotel was built in 1976 but was renovated in 2024. So this is an old building. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video helps you find the right hotel. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.